Anyways, we look really bad right now. We're eating ramen noodles. If you could say. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, we're gonna have troubles.
What fell down my shirt?
I like dropped all of it on my outfit. Oh, Emily threw a pee at me the other day and it landed in my shirt. I didn't find it until like an hour later. It's like it gets lost down there. Oh, well.
Okay.
Merry Christmas. Eat.
That's chipmunk.
Oh,
That's really bad. I'm not putting this on.
I do too, but I'm going to. I'm at Sam's house. What was that? You. That sound stopped. You're like. Anyways, bye guys.